I've been working on this project and it's really neat because it encompasses creative's freedom. For a really long time, I was never very good at like color editing. See, but the thing is, for a really long time, not being very good at color editing was a really long time ago. And now I like to believe I'm actually pretty good, or for my own work at least. But for the longest time, I sat down and like I researched and studied and stuff. And it's, you know, color grading and just colors in general is actually pretty easy. It's not very hard to learn at all. It's not very hard to really understand either, but I got it now. That's the point I'm trying to get across. In fact, what you're watching now was edited 100% by me. No outside LUTs or anything. The LUT you're watching is my LUT. So the thing is that there's this hill by my house, and I don't live in a very lush area. It's kind of very desert-y out here, very desert-like. So, you know, this is what I have to work with in terms of like learning color right now and coming up with my own stuff. Very earthy tones, you know, very dark reddish and greenish, just very brown. So I thought, what better time and place than to make summer colors in the middle of summer, right? See, I came up here the other day, took a bunch of pictures, took them home, popped them in the Lightroom, and cooked up these presets. And now they're available for purchase for a mere $5. That's it, $5, 8 presets, plus the LUT, plus the LUT you're watching right now. This is the LUT. $5 for all this, and you can get 50% off with the code 50OFF. I'll put a link to the description in the store if you're interested and want to buy it. Yeah, it's just a great, just summer tones, you know, just a summer vibe. Okay, and if you're totally lost about everything I just said, let me make it real plain and simple. A preset is just like a one-click edit for your Lightroom pictures, that's it. Just one-click edit, pop it on there, you're done. Now, a LUT is kind of the same for footage. It's just kind of like a preset for footage in Premiere as opposed to Lightroom. You can always make edits and adjustments afterwards, but that's basically what that is. And you can do all that for just $2.50 with the 50% off. And you know, I don't think I really need to tell you guys this, but I would really appreciate it if you actually bought. You'd be helping fund my textbooks next semester. I'm working, you know, like it's difficult to find a job in this field for exactly what you have, you know, and so I'm trying to take my creative liberty and make it work myself. And that is exactly why I made it so cheap, just at a mere $2.50 if you use the code, because I want this kind of stuff to be available to like as many people as possible, you know. And like I see, like I kid you not, I've seen some people charge like $15-20 for LUTs. Now granted, there was like a good handful of them, but that just, in my opinion, seems like a lot, especially for like presets and LUTs. So I wanted to make it cheap but reasonable, you know, so I did. So now to finish this off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys some befores and afters, some examples of the Lightroom presets with some pictures I have already taken, and then show you guys the LUT in action by showing you an epic B-roll sequence, because what better way to show cinematics and colors than with just awesome B-roll. So here we go. Hope you enjoy the pictures, hope you enjoy the B-roll, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.